Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Today we are at a chapter 8. We are learning the basic functions to start with. Okay, let's start. Today we will learn sum, average, count and unique function. Okay, let's go step by step. In a previous video we saw the basic functions by using is equal to and plus signs. Now there is an advanced function we have as a sum. Okay, so let's start. Every function starts with is equal to, so I'll put is equal to. Now there are 3-4 methods to put a function in the cell. Okay, let's start with the first option. I'll simply directly write the function, so I will get the options here. I can select the function from here. Okay, now this is the basic information related to the that function, where this shows the structure and this shows the attributes. Okay, now if you scroll down little, you will get the detailed idea what the function says. So, and you will get a one option also. So let's say sum from 82 to 800, and you can put the values accordingly. Now this is the information. So what we can do, we can just put a sum option, select the cells where we have to do the sum and complete the bracket. It will show the sum here. Okay, another method will be select the function from insert menu, which we have seen already in the previous chapter. So insert function sum, it will show the same option. Okay, one more method we have, one more method we have, you can click here and you can find this option, click here and click on the sum, it will again the same. Okay, so let's stick to the function which is easy to us. So first of all, is equal to, then put the sign as sum, select it, select the cells which you want to do the sum, complete the bracket, and it will show like this. Okay, let's align on the right hand side as these are the numbers. I'll just copy this formula here, so I will get the same functions but the answers according to the rows. Okay, now next is average. Average is nothing but the average of the rates whatever, or average of the data whatever we are selecting. So we'll start with is equal to sign, we will put average, so select here. Now if you are not getting the information here, you can click on the question mark and the information will be here. Okay, so what it is saying, select the cells wherever you want to do the average. Now what we have to do the average rates of the apple over the 3 years. So I'll just click on average, select this 3 years, bracket complete. So there will be average 173 as a average rate for the last 3 years. Okay, now what I can do, click here, click on the paint format, click here, so it will align as per this format. I can drag the formula down by simply double click on this bubble. So what we can see here, average rate is 587 for all the fruits across all 3 years. It is not relevant here, but just showing the data. Okay, you can click on F2 and you can see the formula behind it as a simple step. Okay, next formula is count and count A. Okay, let's see the difference in this. I'll put count here, so you will get a count and count A option both. So let's select first count. So what it is showing, returns the number of numeric values in the dataset. So it's pretty simple. Whatever numbers you have in your dataset, it will count that in a straightforward way. Okay, so I'll just select it here, and ideally what it is showing, the number of numbers in the selected cells. So I'll just select it. It is simply showing 6. Okay, so why we have 6 numbers here in the selected cell, so it is showing 6. But now what is count A? I'll just simply type it and show it to you. Count A returns the number of values in the data set. Okay, so count A will work on the text or non-numeric cells. It is pretty simple as that. Okay, so I'll select text from the table and I'll complete the bracket. So you will get to know this is the difference between count A and count. I'm just repeating, count will count the numbers inside the cells. Like we have selected this cells and all the cells has a number, so it has showed the result as 6 because all 6 cells has the numbers. And count A will work on the number of texts in the selected cells. I have selected these 5 cells and all cells have the text, so it is showing the number as 5. It will not work like that. I'll put a count and select these to count. What it will show? 0, because what it is saying, in selected cells there is no number, so it is showing 0. Okay, hope you are clear with the difference between count and count A. Next part is unique. Unique function is nothing but the extraction of the unique data cells from the list. So what you can do, put equal to, put unique, so click on question mark, so it will say returns unique rows in the provided source range, discarding duplicates. Rows are written in the order in which they first appear in the source range. Okay, so what it is showing, unique will extract unique names from the selected cells. So I have selected this and let's say, so it is replicating all the cells which are selected and the unique values from it. So one more thing to remember, it will arrange the cells according to the range whatever we are showing. So what I just, if I put banana on the top of the apple, so what will happen, I'll just put the formula again, unique, and I'll select the cells and I'll click on the is equal to. So what happened, banana comes first and then apple. Why? Because banana is at the top. So sequence will be decided as per the data set and not alphabetically like A to Z or no other ways. Okay, so whatever data you have in the selected range, so it will arrange it like that. If you want to arrange it alphabetically, there are multiple formulas where we can combine this unique in those formulas and we can use that. So these are the those will be more complex formulas and we'll cover that in upcoming chapters. Okay guys, so what we have seen, we learn sum function, average function, count A function and unique function. We'll cover more complex functions in upcoming chapter. Thanks for watching.